So, Matt Franks, Head of Mesh and Special Products from HiFi Solutions in Australia. We specialise in critical communications to industry and government and building. We're an integrator of Starlink and Mesh radio, Peplink routers, and we bring those together to build a complete solution that's easily deployable. We also provide airtime and support, and we do everything in-house for our customers.
This episode is sponsored by Aira, a leading provider of AI facial recognition and environment-specific solutions.
This is our HiFi One series. So this is the HiFi One, and this one here is our HiFi One Mini. The concept of HiFi One is to bring Vehicle as a Node, which is a LEO satellite. It's a cellular router. All into one solution, and that way it's layered communications for critical connectivity. And what we've done here, both of them are finished products working out of the box, and it saves the customer or the end user needing to install the parts. Normally you would have to install the router, have to install the antenna, all separate pieces in the vehicle. So what we've done is we've built the solution into a finished product, so it takes away all the time and the cost and expense of having to install it separately, and they can install this on their vehicle, and it could be a vessel, a truck, a car, emergency services, mining. All they have to do is put power and it works. And now we have 5G cellular, Wi-Fi 6, high-performance Starlink terminal, all in one kit. And this is the same thing, but in a smaller version. We have a Starlink Mini inside, and we also have the Peplink router as well, so 5G, Wi-Fi, all in one. So the installation is extremely fast. It can be magnets or it can be bolted on, and it comes to the customer finished. All they have to do is put power and it's fully installed and operational. And then once you're connected, we can put anything you like across that, anything, video, data, voice communications, push to talk, critical communications, anything like critical applications. And with all the security features of Peplink, we can also shape traffic. We can prioritise different types of traffic. For example, voice and location is critical, so that we put that to the highest priority, and we can push that on both bearers. It might be that the customer wants certain traffic maybe from the end user's phone. Well, that's less important, so we'll put that down, and that only goes on to cellular where it's cheaper data. So also very high levels of security, encrypted transmissions and things like that. So it gives us an edge, because we can supply a finished product and all the support and a high level of security to our customer. A lot of government emergency services, police, fire, ambulance, search and rescue, yes, very popular in those industries, yes. We're a little bit unique in that we can provide all of the hardware and we offer the installation service. We are also the manufacturer for these products, and we do the airtime as well. So we have competitors that maybe sell Starlink, or maybe they sell Peplink, but they may not sell the entire finished solution. These are our own products that we've designed from scratch, and we manufacture them in Brisbane in Australia. So you don't need to go to one place for hardware and another place for airtime and another place for support. We can do the whole thing in one step. We package it up as one, so your airtime for your cellular, your airtime for your Starlink, and the support, all in one package. So the post-sales support, we have dedicated in-house support staff. So if they have any problems or any questions and they need some help with our products, there's a phone number for them, there's a website and email. So we have staff working specifically for support. They'll take your call, they have full product knowledge, and they can talk you through resolving any problems you may have.